What's going on YouTube? Today we're going to be talking about what to do and what not to do when you run out of stock.
My God! Okay, it's happening. Everybody stay calm.
What's the procedure, everyone? What's the procedure?
Stay calm!
Wait.
Right? Make sure you stay tuned to the end. You're not gonna want to miss this. Hi guys, welcome to the channel. I'm Ecom Dave, and for those who don't know me, I am an Amazon FBA six-figure seller and an Amazon FBA coach. This channel is all about entrepreneurship and obviously Amazon FBA. Today we're going to be talking about running out of stock, right? Everyone's nightmare. I'm going to be covering what not to do and what to do when this happens to you. Okay, so your first instinct when you're running out of stock is going to be to raise your price. So you lower your sales velocity and then you have more time to get into stock. I recommend to not do this because this is going to hurt your conversion rate and is going to affect your current ranking on Amazon. This means that when all your customers that are currently going to your listing are not going to buy because your price point is so high, even though your profit margins are going to be better, this is going to affect your conversion rate, and Amazon is probably going to de-rank you and lower your ranking and probably take you out of page one right before you run out of stock. You do not want to do this, right? Right before you run out of stock, I recommend to lower your price so you increase your sales velocity and you go out with a bang, right? Lower your price so you sell more units per day, and then Amazon puts you at a higher rank position right before you run out of stock. And when you run out of stock, close your listing, right? This is going to stop all the recording of your sales history until you get back in stock. When you get back in stock, then Amazon is going to see how well your product was selling right before you ran out of stock and is going to put you right back where you were. I've done this with multiple of my products, and sometimes Amazon puts me back in at a higher position where I was before I went out of stock. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any questions, please drop them on the comments below and I'll get right to them. And if you haven't yet, please add yourself to our Facebook group. Also, if you haven't yet, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next.